Can you imagine the cruelty? On a busy street, this tiny white dog was wandering with a cold black blow dart pierced straight through her head. A kind-hearted man saw her trembling in pain, immediately scooped her up, and rushed her to the hospital. The CT scan shocked everyone. The dart had gone deep into her skull, missing her eye by just millimeters. In a race against time, the doctors successfully removed it. When she woke from anesthesia, the first thing she did was gently lick her savior's hand. Despite what humans did to her, she still chose love. With devoted care, she recovered day by day. She started eating happily, and her eyes regained their beautiful spark. Today, she's fully healed, rocking a stylish red hoodie and cool doggy sunglasses, strutting with her tail wagging wildly. Love truly heals broken lives. May every stray find their forever hero.